You can check your BKR 0701 adapter that adapts to the legacy BK radio for cross cloning. Countdown 6, and if you get the beep, you got the mod. I'm grounding off of the USB. That's pin 11 to ground, and so I need to crack this one open and mod it. Here's a CAD drawing. Ground is P2, pin 11 is your GPIO. So you'll run a ground wire across it. Let me show you how the factory is going to do it. There's your before. That's a version 3. I got a version 4, I think. And then there's the wire that they added. So there you have it. That'll allow you to program the version 2 BKR 5000s, and all BKR 9000s are going to require that. For testing, you can just touch the shield of the USB, and then this 6th pin down on the longer set of pins to see if you've got the mod already done. And this is to allow programming of BKR 9000s. The reason they do that is they have a GPIO on that pin, and if it's not grounded, it turns off all the power connections that on the accessory of the radio. It's a great idea. It'll keep the radio from getting that green funk on it. When people don't put the covers on, they get moisture. The voltage will be removed from the accessory port until that GPIO is held to ground. And P2 is the way they do it.